Some of today's students, particularly those Cretan students, find it challenging to decide which strand to pursue in senior high school, whether it is based on their own interests or their parents' preferences. Additionally, they will have academic standing if they are admitted to the third strand. Some students are still confused because they don't yet have professional plan, so that you can choose your strand. It is only right that you, as a student, employ the knowledge you have acquired from elementary school through high school. Today, we introducing to you our research study entitled Investigating the Role of Scientific Literacy in the Strand Preferences of Grade Student in Landi National High School, and introducing to you the researchers behind this study. Alexandra Edhill R. Peña Purida, Erica Jane R. Monterrey, Cyril Ann H. Peregrine, John Rainier P. Ricamora, and Jerome Armago. This study conducted in Senior High School Department in Landi National High School, and especially in our research advisor, Mr. Jomar Linga.
The general objective of this is to determine the effect of scientific literacy in the strand preference of grade 10 students in Landi National High School.
To be addressed in this study are the following. Main problem. What are the challenges in deciding the strand to pursue in senior high of grade 10 at Landi National High School? Sub-problem number 1. What is the level awareness of grade 10 students in scientific literacy at Landi National High School? Sub-problem number 2. What are the effects of scientific literacy in strand preference of grade 10 students at Landi National High School? Sub-problem number 3. What are the factors affecting the scientific literacy of grade 10 students at Landi National High School? Now, we proceed the potential impact and importance of this study. The researchers believe that the scientific literacy in the strand preference will benefit the students, teachers, parents, and future researchers. For students, investigating the role of scientific literacy in the strand preference can help them easily choose the best strand, whether it is based on their own interests or their parent preference. For teachers, they help encouraging all parents to support and involve students in scientific literacy and have the students decide what strand they choose in senior high by helping them investigate the role of scientific literacy in their strand preference. For parents, for them to identify how influences they are to their child, and it also serve a guide for them to help motivate their child for choosing the strand in senior high. They will know if they're influencing their child through their help to decide what they want. For future researchers, they can use this study to have a deeper understanding of this topic and serve as reference for their future studies.
The researchers utilizes the qualitative approach. This study, under the category of phenomenological, it focuses on how people experience phenomenon and explores actually well. The researchers gathered data in Landi National High School, Junior High Department, locally of Santa Cruz, province of Marinduque. And it implemented 5 students from grade 10 STE who have a critical knowledge about scientific literacy. Selected of using purposive sampling, and the researchers employed the interview as a data gathering tool for this study. These questionnaires will answer 5 grade 10 STE students based on how their experience in how scientific literacy affect their strand preferences. During the interview of the respondents, especially grade 10 STE students, will protected maintaining their own privacy, especially their names. Lastly, validation of the data gathered, coding, and thematic analysis. It is based on the answer of the respondents that connected on the researcher's study.
The first theme is the fact progress that determining the level awareness of grade 10 students. In the first theme, I explained the level awareness of grade 10 students. The researcher respondent said that there is a positive relationship between scientific literacy and the ability of grade 10 students in the Landi National High School to understand and apply the strand preferences in the science subject. As a student who possesses the higher level of scientific literacy are more likely to have a better understanding of the science concept and be able to apply the effective. The second theme is enhancement. One of the respondents said that scientific literacy can significantly improve of their ability to comprehend and analyze complex scientific concepts. Their third theme is proficiency. The respondents said that scientific literacy skills can applied by critically evaluating scientific information, conducting research, analyzing data, and communicating findings effectively. These skills can help students make informed decisions, solve problems, and succeed in the future endeavors. The last theme is consequences. The researchers responded said that utilizing scientific method and resources in the classroom can significantly impact the growth of the scientific literacy among grade 10 students. Engaging the hands-on experimentation, exposure to the diverse scientific materials, use the technologies such as simulation and virtual, and collaborating learning approaches can help students developing critical thinking and evaluation skills.
The Table 2 theme is positive impact. The first code is critical thinking in the effect of scientific literacy on the strand preferences. The researcher respondent says that exposure to science-related activities outside of school affects the scientific literacy of grade 10 students at Landi National High School by fostering critical thinking and also deeper understanding of scientific concepts. The second code is understanding. One of the respondents says that the ways scientific literacy affects the attitudes and perceptions of grade 10 students at Landi National High School towards science and science-related careers are by having deeper understanding of science, societal impact, and by fostering interest, confidence, problem-solving skills, and career awareness. The third code is the impact of scientific literacy on the strand preferences. The respondent says that scientific literacy impacts the ability of grade 10 students at Landi National High School to comprehend and analyze complex scientific concepts by providing them in the necessary background knowledge and critical thinking skills to make informed judgment about scientific information. That's why the impact of scientific literacy on the students' strand preferences in senior high.
Table 3. The theme is positive impact. In the answer, respondent says the extent of socio-economic factors like income, accessible resources, and etc. impact the development of scientific literacy among grade 10 students if the family has a high income. Students are more likely to have more resources and greater opportunities to experience the actual application of science in the real life and have a high impact in scientific knowledge, and its affect the level of engagement of motivation in limited access to resources and extracurriculum activities can hinder the student's ability to learn and apply scientific concepts.
Conclusion. Based on the findings of this research study about investigating the role of scientific literacy in the self-preference of grade 10 students in Landi National High School, scientific literacy affects the strand preference of students because it has a good effect on students. The scientific literacy will also help students, especially if the stand to be taken is related to it. Scientific literacy is a subject where it can help or add knowledge to students. It can help a lot in learning. The effect of scientific literacy in grade 10 students to choose strand as is it is new knowledge in the students and it can help to better understanding the science concept. The level of awareness of grade 10 students in scientific literacy at Landi National High School is high because based on the findings, scientific literacy can help grade 10 students and it is the preferences choose strand to pursue in senior high. The study of scientific literacy should be given attention because if the strand to be taken is more on science, it should be studied so that when the strand is already students will not have difficulty. The factor that influences the strand preferences is the study of what is according to the strand that they will take, just like the strand that is the STEM in which they need to study scientific literacy. Because scientific literacy is one of the things that must be discovered by the student so that they can better choose which strand to take. Recommendation based on the view of the data, generated findings and conclusion drawn from the analysis and interpretation of data. The following recommendations are offered. Encourage students to learn scientific literacy. Teachers can provide guidance to students to help them facilitate their learning, and it will also help them get their strength in learning scientific literacy. Pay attention to teaching of scientific literacy. This will help your studies, especially the strand you want to take. The study of scientific literacy will add knowledge as a student. Promote knowledge in the study of scientific literacy. As a student should advance their knowledge, especially in the study of scientific literacy, because it will help them get the strand they want. Address the importance of scientific literacy in the learning. Learning of the subject of science will help you especially in the preference strand you want and will facilitate your studies. Develop scientific literacy skills that respond to the strand desired by the students. The teachers and the school will be the guide to the students who want to take the strand according to their ability.
Again, this is our team, investigating the role of scientific literacy in the strand preferences of grade 10 student in Landi National High School. Thank you very much.